Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving deep into one of the most fascinating stories in Earth's history. From the fiery birth of our planet to the age of mighty dinosaurs, and finally, to the birds flying right outside your window, this is the incredible journey of evolution through millions of years. We'll uncover how dinosaurs ruled the Earth, how they vanished, and how a part of them still lives on today. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's travel through time from the world of giants to the skies of today. This isn't just history. It's a detective story written in stone and DNA. Make sure to stick around to the end, because you'll never look at a pigeon the same way again. If you love amazing stories from our planet's past, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered when our incredible planet came into being? Imagine this. Around 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system was just a chaotic swirl of fire, dust, and rock. But through countless collisions, these particles fused together, forming one massive, molten sphere, our Earth. Over millions of years it cooled, rain began to fall, and vast oceans appeared. It was deep within these primordial waters that the first sparks of life ignited tiny microscopic organisms that would become the ancestors of every living thing today. Now let's fast forward a few billion years. When did the legendary dinosaurs make their grand entrance? Scientists believe they emerged around 250 million years ago, during the Triassic period. They evolved from ancient reptiles known as archosaurs, which, interestingly, are also the ancestors of modern crocodiles. From these beginnings, dinosaurs slowly but surely came to dominate every corner of the globe, the land, the sea, and the sky. This brings up a popular question. Did dinosaurs exist before humans? The answer is a resounding yes. Modern humans have only been around for about 300,000 years. Dinosaurs, on the other hand, roamed the Earth 250 million years ago. That's a time gap so vast it's hard to comprehend. When they were alive, there wasn't a single human to be found. In fact, the continents we know today were still fused into one giant supercontinent called Pangaea. Speaking of dinosaurs, did they really breathe fire like the dragons in movies? That's a fun idea, but it's pure Hollywood fantasy. There's zero scientific evidence that any dinosaur could breathe fire. While some species, like the Dilophosaurus, might have had glands to spit a chemical substance to defend themselves, they certainly weren't fire-breathing monsters. Those belong strictly to the realm of myth and cinema. But here is a mind-blowing thought. Could the water you drink today be the same water that dinosaurs drank? It sounds crazy, but scientifically, it's entirely possible. The water on our planet has been endlessly recycled through the water cycle for billions of years. So that glass of water you're holding might just have once passed through the gullet of a Tyrannosaurus rex. How wild is that? Now, you might be wondering, what was life actually like for them? Dinosaurs were incredibly diverse. They came in all shapes and sizes, from chicken-sized creatures to colossal giants over 100 feet long. Some were ferocious hunters, others were peaceful herbivores, and many lived in social herds. Their world was a vibrant tapestry of lush forests, arid deserts, and sprawling coastlines. And contrary to old beliefs, many dinosaurs were surprisingly nurturing parents, protecting their eggs and caring for their young. So if they were so successful, why did they go extinct? About 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event changed everything. A massive asteroid, estimated to be 6 miles wide, slammed into the Earth near modern-day Mexico. The impact was so powerful it sent a cloud of dust and ash into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for years. Temperatures plummeted, plants withered, and the entire food chain collapsed. This global catastrophe wiped out nearly 75% of all species, including most of the dinosaurs. Only a few small, feathered, bird-like dinosaurs managed to survive the apocalypse. And this leads to one of science's most amazing discoveries. Did dinosaurs really evolve into birds? Yes, The birds you see every day are, in fact, living dinosaurs. Their bone structure, their claws, their feathers, and even their nesting behaviors are all direct links to their prehistoric ancestors. So the next time you see a pigeon or an eagle, remember you're looking at a modern-day dinosaur. How do we know all of this? We have paleontologists to thank. By unearthing fossils all over the world, from China to the Americas, they've pieced together this incredible story. A pivotal discovery was Archaeopteryx, a fossil found in Germany in 1861 that provided the first solid link between birds and dinosaurs. Today, with advanced technology like CT scans and DNA research, our understanding of these magnificent creatures is deeper than ever. The legacy of the dinosaurs is all around us. They didn't truly disappear, they transformed. They gave us birds, and they continue to inspire scientists, artists, and even engineers. Did you know that the principles of aerodynamics in modern airplanes are based on the flight of birds? That means the legacy of dinosaurs literally helps us fly today. The story of the dinosaurs teaches us something timeless. Nothing lasts forever. The ones who survive are those who learn to change and adapt. Birds carried their ancestors' story into the sky, and we are still watching that incredible story unfold every single day. If you enjoyed this journey through time and history, please consider subscribing to the channel. I believe we should all support each other, so let's grow and learn together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and remember, every great story begins with curiosity.